Morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning around 8:50, and because it's Thursday, it's claims day. And this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 604. Okay, we had a bunch of numbers here this morning, and I'll start with Philly Fed, 26.5% versus 10.5% expected. So that's a pretty dynamic jump. Housing starts up 5.8% versus last month's 0.8%. And claims. Continuing claims expected to be 845,000 came in at 900,000, which was down 26 from last week, but is well above estimate and going the wrong way, holding up here. 900,000 is a very big number. However, besides that, excuse me, this time we got some of the internal numbers, and some of them are really staggering. The claims numbers in Illinois up 49.6%. In Kansas up 22.1%, and in California up 21.6. California in particular has had big numbers this entire last 2 months, and up 21% again for this week is a pretty big number. Okay, Europe and Asia are both up. KMI, Kinder Morgan, beats top and bottom line, had closed at 15 and a half or so, and is trading this morning 14 up 41. UAL is lower again. That was last night's earnings. Travelers beats. Stock is 147 and a half up 258, 1.7%. And Google was raised to overweight, and the stock was up big yesterday, is currently trading 1896 and a quarter. That's up 1616, and that's just 1%. PayPal was upgraded to buy at BTIG. Its recent move has been pretty dynamic. The stock is currently 247, up $2.74, 1.1%. Excuse me. Procter & Gamble had good numbers, a good comment about raising their prices and customers not balking at it. But, consumer non-durables is just not the sexy, exciting thing that they're, to choose from here in this market. So it's a little out of favor. It has a recent high of 140, currently 131. Eli Lilly had a phase 3 trial for COVID, specifically in nursing homes, and it was a great success. The stock has moved from about 165 earlier this month, had been trading up as high as 186. This morning it is it closed yesterday around 201. This morning it's 203 and a half. So that's doing a little better also. And the chart on the screen this morning is Bitcoin. Anybody who follows me knows that I've been a seller on the way up. Looked kind of like I was wrong, started selling about here, and sold on this little lower high, which we shared in my Discord room. You can get the link for that in the video. And today we actually sold some more GBTC yesterday, up around 34.80, I believe, and today we are down 2,365. This is not, quote, the end of it, but we have hit this 20-day moving average. Looks to me like if we break through here, which is 31,105, I think there's kind of a limited downside. I actually do not expect for this gap to be filled, but I could see us, down here around 28, 29,000 before resuming any kind of an uptrend. Oil is down a little. See, the gold firmed up pretty substantially on the weakness in the dollar. The gold right now is down 220 after trading as high as 1874. This absolutely hit the low at the round number here of 1800, and we've rallied from 1800 all the way up to today's high, 1874. While we've broken above the 50-day, we now are running into the 20-day and, of course, the 100-day. So this is kind of a tight area. On the weekly, it actually looks substantially better. Broke out, hit down here at the bottom of the channel, had a nice rally, came back down. On the weekly, it had bounced off this 50-day here, and this week at the low off the 50-week here. So we'll see how that gets along. All right, everyone, have a good day. Oh, TELLURIAN, one of our little baby stocks. TELLURIAN gets upgraded at WOOF Capital with a price objective of $5. The stock is trading just under $3 and is up from $1.25 recently. I wrote it up 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, also in October or November of last year, in much lower prices. So I'll pat myself on the back for that. All right, everyone, have a good day. Be careful out there, and I'll be back this afternoon.